Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, May 24th. Well, the reversal ruckus from Wednesday had some volatility added yesterday. We had the markets open up sharply lower but bounce back to unchanged. The E-mini S&P actually finished the day down 5.5 points at 1650. The high of the session to keep an eye on for this breakout of the range one way or another after the big move. 1659 was yesterday's high. 1632 and 3/4 was yesterday's low that it bounced from. Dow futures were down 31, 15,289. The low to look at from yesterday is 15,143 in the Dow futures. The Nasdaq ended up being down 9 points at 29.92. The euro currency added 89 at 129.33 as we've held the 128 support one more time so far this week. The dollar index was down 65 points at 83.80, and that helped out some of the other markets as well. We saw crude unchanged at 94.25 after pushing down to 92.21 on the session. The bond market was essentially unchanged, up 5 ticks at 143. The low yesterday was 142.09. We'll want to see if we can push that recent low one more time. And the gold market did get some bullish action with the activity, the volatility, and the uncertainty yesterday, up $24 at $13.92. So after the crazy corrective action here in the last couple of days, where do the markets stand on this Friday morning as we go into the holiday weekend with the markets closed on Monday? Well, the S&P right now is down 10 points, 1640, giving back some of the gains or bounce yesterday that we saw. And looking at the Dow futures, we're at 15,225, down 64 points. The Nasdaq suffering as well, down 18 at 29.74. We see the euro currency building on that reversal, 129.68, up 35. And the dollar index is down 17 at 83.57. Something to keep an eye on here. The dollar index made highs this week and looks like it's closing lower on the week. Right now, we're at the lows of the week right now, 83.57. So a weekly reversal in the dollar after posting new 2.5-year highs here this week. The bond market's pretty steady right now. We're up 6 ticks. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.19%, and the yield on the 10-year is holding up above 2% at 2.01%. Crude oil right now is down 73 cents at 93.52. Crude has been trading between 97 and 94 for about 3 weeks here on a closing basis. We'll want to look to see what happens here today. And looking at gold, gold's down $6 at 13.86 as everybody sorts out this recent volatility. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the stock market open. The S&P is down 10 at 1640 with yesterday's low at 1632 and 3/4 to keep an eye on. And the Dow futures are down 64 at 15,225. I will see you on Tuesday. Markets are closed on Monday. See you on Tuesday for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.